Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Raj Kumar. So today we are going to discuss about the how to update table of content in Word file. So further update, we can take one Word file. So we we can start the process, table making procedure. So this is our Word file. I have taken already updated Word file for the short time period of the table of content. So first we can link the content as per our requirement. So first we can go to the reference file, which is uh, mentioned on the top of the ribbon bar. So you can show the add text which is showing on the top. So our introduction part is we can consider as the level 1, and this is the best rate. So in my point of view, we can consider as the level 2. And same I have considered this one is the level 1. Same procedure we can follow for further update. You can select it and link it as per your requirement. That is up to you. This is very simple and easy process to make the auto update table of content. I have few raw to link. No, this is the level 3. Here I have linked all the content which is showing in the Word file. So we are going to top of the Word file to make the table of content. I have linked it, but you can show there is no table of content found in the top of the Word file. So we can select the table of content from here. So now you can see the three option is there in the table of content. So first one is the automatic update table of content, and second is the also automatic. But third is the manual table of content. We doesn't require the third point like the manual table of content. So we can select the first one, auto update table of content, and I have selected, and you can show the our table of content is already prepared as per our Word file. So this is the very simple procedure to make the table of content in Word file. So thank you so much.